I don't fly for free anymore. I commute. I network. We saw you sit on that bench yesterday. Hand over the crust, Susan. This is our neighborhood now. We noticed you brought snacks. We noticed you didn't share. That's not how things work here. I've seen your search history. I know what you're hiding. Now give me the fries, slowly. They don't fly anymore. They said the wind wasn't right. So now they commute and I just accept it. I was hot 5 seconds ago. Now I'm evidence. If I'm gone, remember me.